Okay, today I will be demonstrating Cardot alarm 1100 BN with PKA function and push button start. So first I will turn it on with the button, the push start button. You press the brake, hold it, and you press the button and you hold it for a couple seconds. It turns it on. Now to turn it off, you press the brake and hold it, and you hit the button one time. There, it's off. Turn it on, push the brake, hold the button for a couple seconds. Turns on. To turn it off, you push the brake and hold it, and you push it one time. Okay. Now I'll turn it on, and I'll put it in drive. In reverse, it locks the doors. Now, when I turn it off, it should unlock the doors. So press the brake and push the button one time. It unlocked the doors. Now, I will be demonstrating the PKE function. So, I walk away and it will lock the car. Okay, there it is. Now I will walk back and it will unlock it. There it is. Now the horn should honk, but I didn't connect it because it was too loud. So now I will start it with the remote control. So here it is. Hold it a couple seconds. Turns it on. Now to turn it off, you just hold it a couple seconds and it turns off. Here's a lock, unlock, lock, unlock. Now to turn it on again, just hold it, turns on. Turn it off, you just hold it a couple seconds, turns off. Now walk away and it will lock the doors. There it is. Now I'll approach it and it should unlock it. And there it is. So thank you for watching.